How to install Pamex's E9000 series rim-type exit device. Ensure you have all parts and components from the box. You'll also need a pencil, screwdriver, level, tape measure, and a drill. These are reversible, but in this video we'll install it on a left-hand reverse, or LHR door. Measure the door width. The exit device should be about 3 inches shorter than the door width. The length varies depending on the series of exit device. These are available for 3 and 4-foot door widths. If it's too long, cut it to the right length. Cut it square so the end cap fits properly. Make sure the end of the device body is flush with the cover plate. Mark the center line of the exit device by drawing a line across the door 40 inches above the finished floor. Put the template on the door. Align it with the center line you drew and the edge of the door. Mark the location of the 4 mounting holes shown on the template. Move the template against the stop and mark only the top and bottom mounting holes for the strike. Drill the holes marked on the door and the jamb. If you're using an exit device trim, depending on the trim function, additional door prep may be needed. Refer to the trim's installation manual and template for more details. If not, skip to the next step. We'll be installing the E9000 passage lever trim. Fit the trim onto the door from the outside and remove the head chassis cover on the push bar and mount the device body using the screws or bolts supplied. Remove the end cap bracket cover. Ensure the device is level. Hold the bracket firmly in place against the door. Mark the hole locations. Drill. Then secure the end cap bracket to the door with the screws provided. Place the strike at the drilled position on the jamb. Using the screws provided, mount only the top and bottom slotted holes. Open and close the door. Adjust the strike so the latch and dead latch are aligned properly. Then mark, drill, and install the center screw. Test the push bar before installing the chassis cover. From inside, the door should open smoothly when the push bar is depressed. From outside, it should open smoothly when the key or lever handle are operated. Install the chassis cover. And the end cap with the screws provided. And that's it! If you have questions, visit PamexInc.com or give us a call at 800-621-6869. Thanks for watching.